It Didn't Start With You: How Inherited Family Trauma Shapes Who We Are and How to End the Cycle is a book written by Mark Wolynn, a psychotherapist and director of the Family Constellation Institute. The book delves into the idea that unresolved traumas from past generations can affect individuals in the present. Key points from the book include: Inherited family trauma. Wolynn explores the concept of how trauma can be passed down through generations. He suggests that the emotional and psychological wounds experienced by our ancestors may influence our own behaviors, fears, and struggles. Epigenetics. The author discusses the emerging field of epigenetics, which studies how environmental factors can influence gene expression. While genes themselves may not change, the way they are expressed can be influenced by experiences, including trauma, and this altered gene expression may be passed down to subsequent generations. Family constellations. Wolynn introduces the concept of family constellations, a therapeutic approach aimed at uncovering and resolving intergenerational traumas. The method involves exploring family dynamics and hidden loyalties to heal unresolved issues that may be affecting the individual. Case studies. The book includes case studies and examples from Wolynn's clinical practice, illustrating how individuals have overcome personal challenges by understanding and addressing the impact of inherited family trauma. Breaking the cycle. Wolynn emphasizes the importance of breaking the cycle of inherited trauma for the well-being of current and future generations. He provides practical exercises and strategies for readers to explore their family histories, identify patterns, and work towards healing. Overall, It Didn't Start With You offers insights into the profound influence of family history on individual lives and suggests ways to break free from the negative impact of inherited trauma. It combines scientific research, therapeutic techniques, and real-life stories to help readers understand and address the often unconscious patterns that shape their behavior and relationships. The transmission of trauma. The book explores how trauma can be transmitted not only through explicit narratives or stories within a family but also through implicit, nonverbal cues and behaviors. Unresolved issues from the past may manifest in patterns of anxiety, depression, or other emotional challenges in descendants. Core language approach. Wolynn introduces the concept of the core language approach, which involves identifying and changing the language individuals use to describe their experiences and relationships. By reframing the narratives around family history, individuals may begin to break free from the grip of inherited trauma. Unconscious loyalties. The author discusses the idea of unconscious loyalties to family members, even those from past generations, that can affect an individual's choices, relationships, and well-being. Understanding and addressing these loyalties is seen as crucial for healing. Repetition compulsion. Wolynn explores the psychological phenomenon of repetition compulsion, wherein individuals unconsciously repeat patterns and behaviors from their family history. By becoming aware of these repetitions, individuals can interrupt the cycle and make conscious choices to break free from destructive patterns. The impact on health. The book explores how inherited family trauma can impact physical health, contributing to conditions such as chronic pain, autoimmune disorders, and other health issues. The mind-body connection is highlighted as an important aspect of understanding and addressing intergenerational trauma. Transgenerational healing. While acknowledging the challenges of inherited trauma, the book also emphasizes the potential for transgenerational healing. By recognizing and processing unresolved issues, individuals can contribute to the healing of their family line and prevent the transmission of trauma to future generations. Integration of different therapeutic approaches. Wolynn draws on various therapeutic approaches, including family constellations, psychodrama, and cognitive behavioral techniques, to provide a comprehensive framework for addressing inherited family trauma. The integration of these approaches offers a holistic perspective on healing. It Didn't Start With You encourages readers to explore the depths of their family histories, gain insights into the roots of their challenges, and take proactive steps toward healing and personal growth. The book provides a blend of scientific knowledge, psychological theories, and practical exercises to guide individuals on their journey toward breaking free from the legacy of inherited trauma.